finally got our chairs in. What do you think, Mama? Do you like it?
Your hair is crazy, the baby.
What's that?
So these are the bottoms. It's got a little bit of the gold coming through. And there they are all together. We don't have to deal with these crappy hand-me-down.
They weren't hand-me-down, we just found them in the trash.
Well, that's a hand-me-down from the trash.
These are all no chairs.
Oh, look, coming apart
All the seeds started breaking.
down here and right here. But they lasted us, how long did we have these for? Like 7 years? We kept saying we were gonna get new chairs eventually, and we never did. And we've lived here for like 8 years. So, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see this put together. It's gonna look so much, I think this is gonna just make this look so much better, even with just the chairs. These chairs were so crappy. I mean, even the tops, the seats of them aren't even on there. They always move and the kids get stuck. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I know, babe. What do you guys think? Do you like them? Do you approve? Yep, you like it? And if you've noticed, we only have 3 chairs. We used to have a 4th and it got broken. So we've only had 3 chairs. We've had to pull up like an office chair as a 4th. So I'm so happy, Mama. Yeah. Trial.
Memorial Herman and Family Health Personalizing Care.
Is it breaking?
Feels good to me. Wait, you don't have to take those screws nowhere.
Yeah, don't lose those, mamas.
Yep, I like it. It's actually pretty comfy.
Does the baby think it's comfortable?
Can we keep that box so we can play in there?
Yeah.
That'd be our safe zone so Jay can't, when she wants to mess with us, we can
Yeah.
So happy. Thank you. Can I have the other one? No, let me have them. I don't want you to lose them, baby. No, you can't take it back. Can I have the other one? Let me see that one. This one. No, this one.
Well, it's not.
Yeah.
Hey, come get us.
Oh. Right, where are the boys? Are they hiding in there, Jade? Let's go see. Go see, Mama. Who's in there? Who is it? Who is it, Mama? Is the boys in there? Oh, we're gonna see. Oh, we found them! We found them! Oh, peekaboo! Mamas, look at me, cute girls. Oh, Jadelyn, are you sitting in the chair? Is there Abel in there? Where's Abel?
It feels strong. I feel like there's something in there.
Abel, are you in there?
Abel's in there.
What?
No, turn your back over.
Okay.
Get you in. Put that pillow in there. Fuck you.
Say goodbye to these old ugly chairs that we found on the side of the road. Bye bye. Alright, so we finally got this rug in that I'm super excited about to go under the kitchen table that goes with the chairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show y'all what it looks like. Super excited. So this rug we got from Boutique Rugs. We got this one from Boutique Rugs, and I actually, oh my goodness, they're fighting in the background, but I had a 60% off coupon, so I got this rug and another one for our master bedroom for like 160 bucks, and both of them are 5x7s. So I think it's a great deal. Y'all are gonna be able to see what it looks like in just a minute. You like it?
I like it.
Look at how pretty it looks. Now, we haven't told Daddy yet that we got a new rug, and so when he gets home later, we're gonna see if he notices that it's different.
It's like a challenge.
Yeah, like a challenge, but I think it looks perfect in here. I love the wood top with the white bottom.
Anything.
Yeah. I love the wood top with the white bottom. We got the black chairs. Got this with, it's got some grays and blacks, silvers. There's even some blue in there.
Hey, Mommy.
A little bit of gold too, so that's really pretty. It's kind of hard to see. It's not coming up perfectly on this screen, but it is so pretty. I love it. I just need to fix the centerpiece, and then if we own this house, I would totally get a new light fixture, but we don't own the house, so I don't want to deal with all of that electrician stuff. So definitely with the little centerpiece here. Oh my gosh, look.
Abel, stop.
Oh, I love it. We've only lived in this house, gosh, y'all, We have lived in this house for like 8 years, and we have finally gotten nice chairs and a nice rug for our kitchen. Only took 8 years, but
I hope Daddy doesn't know. I'm riding a horse.
Hey y'all, so it's getting close to dinner time, and I'm gonna make one of our, or at least one of my favorite dinners. It is barbecue stuffed baked potatoes. Usually we use like a beef or a pork, but I have chicken. So I'm gonna do some barbecue chicken in the crock pot. It's already a little bit late in the afternoon, but I feel like the chicken comes out really dry if I leave it on for 4 or 6 hours. So instead, I'm gonna do it for about 2.5 hours on low, and that'll be plenty of time. We won't be eating at 10 o'clock at night. But I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. It's super simple, but it tastes so amazing. So I'm gonna get to it, and y'all will see how to make it and the finished product. I would tell y'all how it tastes, but you can't taste it through the camera, obviously. But it's so good. All right, y'all, so what you need is chicken breast. It doesn't matter what kind, you can get it with the rib meat or without. We just get these, let's see, the Simple Truth Natural chicken breast, boneless and skinless. And then any barbecue sauce will do, but this is our favorite, the honey barbecue sauce from Sweet Baby Ray's. Let's see, this isn't the smaller one. What is that? 28 ounce. This is pretty much good enough. It gives you enough to cover the chicken, you know, soak it all up, but also to have a little extra if you like that. And then the potatoes that I'm using are these humongous Big Daddy potatoes right here. I love these because they already come wrapped. Now I will unwrap them and, you know, poke them with the fork and put some oil and salt on them, but then wrap them back up. But these potatoes are huge. If you can see how big they are. I mean, look at this one. This one is so big. They're huge, so they're perfect for this kind of meal because the smaller potatoes are half this size and they just don't hold enough meat and sour cream and cheese and all of that. So these are perfect if you're doing like a stuffed baked potato. Okay, got the chicken and the barbecue in there. I also put salt and garlic. Now I'm gonna turn this on to low, and we're gonna have it cook for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Since I only did 2 chicken breasts, you could obviously do 3 or 4. If you do 4, I would only cook it for 3 hours because you don't want the chicken to be dry tasting. You want it to still be nice and yummy and juicy. Okay, so the chicken has been cooking for about an hour in the crock pot. I'm now gonna get the potatoes prepped, ready to go in the oven. I cook these about 400 to 450 degrees. It says on there to cook them 40 to 60 minutes, but I'm definitely gonna cook them for 60 minutes. I may cook them a little bit longer, but only because my oven is super old and I don't think that the temperature is right in there. So I would cook them 400 to 450 for about 45 to maximum an hour and 15 to 20 minutes. So I usually do it at about 60 minutes and then take them out and check them to see if they're soft, and if they're not, I just leave them in there longer. But yeah, let me get these potatoes prepped, get them in the oven, and then after that, we just wait 1 more hour and we've got food. Are you chilling with Mama in the kitchen? You were so hungry and now you're not eating, you're throwing it on the floor. Why are you throwing it on the floor? Mama's. Why are you throwing it on the floor, baby? Oh. Are you done? No más? Oh. You want to get out? Do you want to get out? No? Are you gonna eat? Well, which one? You gonna eat this one? No? This one? Yeah? No? This one? No? Yeah. Oh. Can we see your teepee? Say I'm fine. No, not your food. Can I see your teepee? Let me see, Mama. Let me see. What's in there? Oh, you're getting a teepee. Let me see. Let me see, Mama. Where's the teepee at? Oh, there it is. I see it in there. Oh, go get him. Go get him.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're a good finder. Where'd he go, baby? Is he there? No, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Uh-oh. Did you find him? Oh, you got him, Mama. High fives.
She knows where I am.
High fives, baby. Yeah. Oh, she's good at it. She's good at seeking. Go get him.
Come find me.
Mama's. She sees your phone, Georgie. Oh, yeah?
I just can't sleep in my house, okay?
Okay.
I can sleep in my house.
Oh, look at her. She's like, you're not getting it from me. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh, did you find them? Oh, you found them. You're so smart, baby.
No. I'm like you.
You're so cute. Look at her. She's watching TV with the remote, pressing the buttons. Oh, Wawa. Yeah, this TV's just not listening, huh? It's just not listening, huh? The boys are crazy. Okay, food is almost ready. Potatoes are almost ready. Chicken's almost ready. So I'm gonna get this salad ready in the bowl. It's just a prepackaged Caesar chopped kit. And then I've got the sour cream, butter, and cheese. And then we have salt over there. This is what we'll be putting into the baked potatoes first before we put the meat and the barbecue sauce on top. Okay, so I've turned it to warm, and I shredded the chicken with my 2 forks. I just did it inside of the crock-pot. Mix it up with the rest of the goodness of this honey barbecue sauce. It's so yummy. So this is what it looks like when it's all cooked and shredded, and then this is the topping that we will put on top of the potatoes. The potatoes aren't done quite yet, but when they do get done, I will show you all the finished product. What you doing, Mama? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Come here. Come here. Come on. Yeah, good girl. He's walking. It's such a good girl. Where are you going? Where are you going? You cannot go in there, baby. No, ma'am. No, come on. Come on. Mama, is you eating that potato?
Man, she looks gross.
Oh, she's just a baby. She's messy.
You look messier than that when you eat sometimes.
I know, Abel. You get it all over your face.
He drinks and chocolate gets all over his face.
Anything gets all over his face.
My face is
Jay.
clean.
Are you gonna eat it or what?
14 face with dirty. My face is not.
He kisses.
Go get it. Ready?
She doesn't even care about her daddy.
She's trying to find the potatoes. She's already eaten all of it.
A potato head. You have a potato head. Good job.
Potato?
So you can eat your potato head.